Hi YouTube, it's me, Cass Who. I am back with another video. Today I will be doing homemade chicken noodle soup. So as y'all see here, I have already put my egg noodles. These are egg noodles I'm using. So I have put them in a pot. It haven't came to a boil yet, but I put them in the pot with a little bit of chicken broth and water just to start it off. And what I'm going to use is some leftover baked chicken. I'm going to pull the skin off and take the bone out. Shred the meat into a fine shred. Add it to this with my vegetables. Season it. Add the remaining chicken broth. But I'll be back with you guys with the next steps on how to flavor it, season it. So right now I have the pot on medium to low heat until it starts coming to a boil. You don't want to get the noodle too done, halfway done, so when you add everything in, all of it can cook together without tearing the noodles, getting too tender. So make sure y'all watch this video, all my other videos. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, comment, give me a thumbs up, like, share this video, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright YouTube, I am back. Here I have the noodles that has been cooking. So what I'm going to do is get my onion. You guys, I'm gonna keep this very simple. Here I have a can of carrots. You can use fresh carrots, or whatnot, whatever your choice. Here I have chicken broth. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have chicken broth, and I have an onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my onion up. And I also have the kind of chicken I'm going to use, you guys, is some leftover baked chicken. As y'all see here, I'll be using leftover baked chicken. So I'm just going to shred the chicken and put everything into the pot. And you can use whatever seasoning you want to use. I'm going to use a little garlic powder, black pepper. So I got garlic powder, black pepper. I'm going to use complete seasoning. As y'all see there. I'm not going to add too much in here. And the reason why I'm making homemade soup, y'all, because yesterday I did have a tooth pull. So you have to eat something very soft for at least about 4 to 5 days. So I can't really eat much right now. So if I'm talking weird, that's because I have my tooth pulled. So I don't want to say too much more. So once you let the noodle boil, you just want to go ahead and add your seasoning in there. And I'm add a little bit of salt as well. So here's my onion. I'm gonna cut it up. And you can also put celery in your soup as well. That's more the classic way. But this time, like I said, I'm not going to put a lot in here. I'm just going to really just flavor the chicken noodle soup with my seasonings. Alright, so what I'm going to do, you guys, as y'all see here, move my camera around a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Right here, y'all have my chicken, my baked chicken left over. So I'm just going to take everything off the bone and just put it in here. So you just want to take away the skin. And once I put everything in here into the pot, then I will turn the oven back on, the stove top back on, and let it simmer and cook all together till all the flavors are blended together or cooked together. So that's what I'm going to do. So as y'all see, I'm just kind of breaking it apart into like these little pieces of meat. And I'm using mostly dark meat. You can use white meat, whatever you want to use. That's fine. It doesn't matter. And it might be best to warm up the chicken because it's easier to pull off the bone. So you guys, I'm going to be back with you guys with the finished product. I'm going to finish pulling the meat off the bone and putting it into the pot with the noodles. And let it go ahead and cook for approximately 20 more minutes with everything already in the pot together. And let it just simmer and flavor together. Then I'll come back with you guys with the finished product. Alright YouTube, I am back with the finished product. Here's the homemade chicken noodle soup. And it smells so delicious. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm so ready to dive into this. So, thank you for your time. That was my time. Until next time.